Let's prepare okra soup from scratch. If you love okra soup, this cooking is for you. I'm using dry fish, goat meat, stockfish flesh, stockfish head, mushroom, palm oil, ground prawn, periwinkle, seasoning, and mixed stock. Now, to prepare okra soup, you definitely need to, or is a must, you wash your okra. Some people don't know they need to wash their okra despite it is sealed or not sealed. What makes your homemade food different is this. You will take your time, wash everything that needs to be washed very well. Okay? That's the difference between homemade and public food. I washed my okra twice. You can go more than that. I'm also using habanero pepper. You have to wash it. Now, with my food processor, I'll be chopping the onions and the habanero pepper. After that, you set it aside. Next is to chop my okra using food processor. You can equally cut it if you don't have food processor. Look at that, nicely chopped. Next is to cut big chunks of okra. Yeah, sometimes I love the chunk of okra in my soup. It's optional. Some people don't like chunked okra. Next is to wash spinach and kale. Like I said, you have to wash your vegetable. I'm using boiled hot water for this. I always love to use hot water to wash my spinach. It drains excess water it will produce while cooking it. And this method also retains the greenish color in the soup instead of using baking soda. I've seen some people using baking soda to wash vegetable. They say it helps to retain the greenish color. But this method also helps to take out the excess water the spinach will produce while cooking it. With my food processor, I will still go ahead and use it to chop my veggies. You can equally slice it with knife. It depends on the texture you want. I want mine to be very tiny. It is nicely chopped. Now introduce your palm oil. Add the already chopped pepper and onions. Stir fry it until it is nicely dry a little bit. Next is to add seasoning. Add salt. Mix everything together. Time to introduce your proteins. Stockfish flesh and stockfish head with my dry fish. Mix. Next, add your meat broth. Add the periwinkle. I'm using the dry one. Please, if you have access to fresh one, use the fresh one. Cover it to cook. Once it is nicely cooked, the next is to add your goat meat. Goat meat is fully cooked. Now add the mushroom. Mushroom is optional. Mushroom is for lover of mushrooms, okay? Introduce your ground prawn or crayfish, anyone you have at home. Mix all together and cover it to steam for 3 minutes. Now add the okra. Here I'm adding all my vegetables together. Add the chunk okra as well. Add your spinach and kale. Mix very well. At this point, we've made ourselves a delicious okra soup. Easy method. There are so many methods you can use to prepare okra soup. It depends on what you are craving for. Different method sometimes gives you the same result. Now our okra soup is ready. Are you still saying you don't know how to cook okra soup? Are you still gonna beg your colleague to bring okra soup for you? Take a look at this nicely prepared okra soup. Please, if you find this video helpful, please share, comment, and like.